Hi, I'm Mr. Wilson from CSET Biology TCP. Today I am at a school in Kingston, Jamaica. It is referred to as the Oasis in the Desert. They boast the motto, honor, diligent, service. Do you know where I am? Yes, I'm at Stats. Today we're looking at making wax or extracting wax from our bee frame. Now, the wax has already been removed from the frames, and if you just journey with me over to the pot here, we have the wax being boiled. So all we did was to remove the wax from the frame, place it in this pot with some water, boil, and then we're going to sift the wax in this bucket, and then I'll show you somewhere in the video what it looks like. I want you to follow me as I take you through the journey of beekeeping in the next couple of weeks. I am Mr. Wilson from Stats in Kingston, Jamaica, signing out. Until then, be good.